Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain the tricks to solve NEET questions under the unit Chemical Kinetics. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Now, if you want to work out all the problem asked in the NEET, specifically under the chemical kinetics, what are the topics you have to study from the book? The number one, general introduction regarding what is chemical kinetics, what are the types of chemical reactions are available, and then theory behind the kinetics. There are two theories are available. One is collision theory, another is transition state theory. Your level collision theory will be sufficient. Number two, rate of chemical reactions, factors which affect the chemical reaction you have to study. Rate constant of a chemical reaction you have to study for different order of reactions. Active mass of the reactant and products you must know. The next one, half-life period. What is half-life period? What is the half-life period for a different order of the reactions? The next is, what is order of the reaction? How to determine the order of the reaction? And lastly, what is molecularity? How to determine the molecularity of a reaction? Under this, pseudo first order is most important. So whenever you are studying these chemical reactions, kindly follow examples of zero order, first order is most important because questions are asked. Okay, with this introduction, let me go for discussion part. The first question I am taking now under the NEET Chemical Kinetics, which was asked in 2016. Let me read the question now. The rate of first order reaction, please follow first order reaction, is 0.04 mole per liter per second at 10 seconds. The rate is fixed at 10 seconds. And 0.03 mole per liter per second at 20 seconds. So after 20 seconds, at 10 seconds, the rate given. At the 20 seconds, the rate is given after initiation of the reaction. What is asked? The half-life period of the reaction is A. 34.1 second, B. 44.1 second, C. 54.1 second, and D. 24.3 second. So this is the question asked. So what is asked now? Half-life period it is asked. You must see here half-life period of the reaction is asked. It is given already first order. So we must know what is the half-life period of the first order reactions. So first you must know, before entering into the question, what is half-life period? Kindly follow. Half-life period is defined as the time required to react 50% of the original concentration of the reactants, usually represented by T half. That means we are starting with 100 gram. Let us say 100 gram we are starting. So after a particular, kindly follow half-life period is the time required to react 50%. Suppose if converted into 50 grams, how many seconds or how many minutes or how many hours are required, that is the half-life period. Kindly follow. So half-life period defined as the time required to react 50% of the original concentration. The 50% of 100 is 50. Kindly follow. Here we will concentrate on half-life period of zero order and first order reaction as per our syllabus. We should concentrate only on zero order and first order. Anyhow, just for informations, I am giving the second and third order also I have given. Kindly see here. This is the list you have to memorize. Please follow. You have to memorize. For zero order reaction, half-life period T half is equal to R0 by 2K0. That means R0 initial concentration, 2K0, K0 rate constant of zero order 2. Number 2, first order T half is equal to 0.6932 by K1. That means the T half is not depending on the concentration. Kindly follow. This is the most important. 0.6932 by K1. Second order reaction, T half is equal to 1 by K2A. The 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 indicating 0 order, first order, second order. Please don't confuse with that. So that means the T half is inversely proportional to concentration of the reactant, third order. And the fourth order, the third order is the T half is equal to 3 by 2, kindly follow 3 by 2, that is into kindly 1 by K3A square. So this is, we are writing this way, kindly follow. That means it is inversely proportional to square of the concentration. This is the idea you must have. Now, from the reaction, from the questions, I am first introducing first order reaction. What is first order? K, this is from the memory you have to write. K equal to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X. K rate constant, first order, T time. A initial concentration, A minus X after time T, concentration after time. That is the first order, the rate constant. So what are the data given? Kindly see here. First it was 10 second, the value given. Then 20, then they have given. Kindly follow. So the difference is 10. Kindly follow. Let me go for the question, then you can have an idea. So here it is 10 second and 20 second. The difference is only 10 seconds. So now what I am now writing the equation, K equal to 2.303 by time. The difference is T. Log initially is 0.04, finally is after time 10 seconds 0.03. So everything I substituted. My aim is I have to calculate K. So what I have to calculate? But for this, what is necessary? I must know log 4, log 3. I told you, unfortunately, kindly follow. In the beginning of the first class itself, I told you, you have to memorize log values of FU, log 0, log 1 to log 9 or log 10, you must memorize. I told you, now this is helpful because in the question they have not given anything. So from the memory you have to write log 4 equal to 0.6020, log 3 equal to 0.4771. So log 4 minus log 3 equal to, the difference is 0.123. Please follow. So now what is now K? K equal to 2.003 by, that is into, kindly follow, 0.13 divided by 10. That's 10 divided. So top 0.123 divided by 10. So if you calculate, K value is 0.02285. But we know for first order reaction, T half is equal to 0.6932 by K. So simply substitute K value and calculate. You are getting the value. So this is we are dividing. So answer is T half is equal to 24.3 seconds. You will get the correct answer. So you must see there are two calculation you are doing. One is you are determining K and then we are correlating with the T half, first order. So now let me go for the correct answer. So in this question, correct answer is 24.3 seconds is the correct answer. Let me go for the question number 2, which was asked in NEET 2017. Let me read the question. A first order reaction has a specific reaction rate 10 to the power of minus 2 per second. Rate is given, specific reaction rate. How much time it will take for 20 grams of reactant to reduce to 5 grams? Please follow. Order is first order. This idea you must have immediately. So what are the options? A 693.0 second, B 238.6 second, C 138.6 second, and D 346.5 second. So what we need, first order rate is given. Kindly follow. Rate of first order is given. And the specific reaction rate constant is the rate constant of the reaction is given, and how much time will it take for 22 gram of reactant to reduce to 5 gram. So the time only they are asking. Kindly follow. So here kindly follow reaction rate constant. It is missing. Specific reaction rate constant of 10 to the power of minus 2. Please follow. So let me go for the question now. The calculation. K, we know the first order reaction, 2.03 by T log A by M minus X. As usual, you know, K, rate constant first order, T time, A, initial concentration of the reactant, M minus X after time T. So here, what are the data available? I am filling up. What A, I know 20, M minus X, I know 5. I am substituting. Only thing is I have to calculate T. As usual, 20 by 4, 5 means 4. So log 4. I have to find out log 4. It is log 4 is nothing but, kindly follow from the memory, I am writing 6020. Or simply log 2 value, if you know, 0.3010 into 2, it will give you this value. Kindly follow. So what I am now, if I put this value, log 0 value 0.6020, and then T actually it is given already, so I can calculate K equal to, that is value 10 to the power of minus 2. So I calculated. Please follow. 10 to the power of minus 2 I have calculated. So by putting this 10 to the power of minus 2, I am now equating the equation 2.03 log 4. Kindly follow. So my aim is T I have to find out. Kindly follow. What is T? So 10 to the power of minus 2 K value it is given in the problem. And log 4 value 0.6020 I am writing here. 2.03 I am writing here. So 10 to the power of minus 2 will come down. If I do calculation, kindly follow what way? 2.303. Kindly follow into the 6, what is 0.6020 divided by 10 to the power of 2. If you could do calculation, you will get the answer T equal to 138.64 seconds. Please follow. So, correct answer is, that is C, 138.6 seconds is the correct answer. Question number 3. This is asked in 2017. Kindly follow. The mechanism of a hypothetical reaction, hypothetical imagination. X2 plus Y2 equal to 2XY is given below. This is the reaction is given below. For the mechanism, it is given X2 equal to X plus X fast. Number 2, X plus Y squared gives XY plus Y slow. And number 3, X plus Y equal to XY fast. So, the overall question asks, the overall order of the reaction will be A 1.5, B 1, C 2, D 0. You know already, if you go for the theoretical explanation of the rate constant and the order of the definition of the order, kindly follow. The rate of any chemical reaction can be measured only for slow reaction. So only second step you have to utilize. You have to use only second step because which is slow. Fast reaction cannot be measured. That is the first one you have to write. Kindly follow now. So I am now giving an idea for you. Consider a general reaction, chemical A plus B plus C plus D, where A moles of A, B moles of B giving C moles of C and D moles of D. For this rate equal to K into A to the power of X into B to the power of Y. Here I am using instead of A and B, X and Y because the sum of the exponential powers of the concentration terms on the rate law is called order. Sum of the exponential power and the rate law is called order. Here, x plus y equal to order of the reaction. If x equal to y equal to 1, order is 2. If x is equal to 1, y equal to order is 3. So this is the idea we are going to apply here. So in this hypothetical mechanism of the hypothetical reaction, this steps slow, we are taking this. So rate equal to k into x to the power of half into y2 to the power of 1. So the sum of the exponential is 1 plus 0.5, 1.5 is the correct answer. Kindly follow. This is the order. Now, question number 4. This was the question asked in 2018. Full of statement, you have to find out the correct statement. The correct difference between first and second order reaction is that A, a first order reaction can be catalyzed, a second order reaction cannot be catalyzed. Number B, the half-life period of first order reaction does not depend on initial concentration. The half-life period of second order reaction does depend on the initial concentration. Kindly follow. And C, the rate of first order reaction does not depend on the reactant concentration. The rate of second order reaction does depend on reactant concentrations. D, the rate of first order reaction does depend on reactant concentration. The rate of second order reaction does not depend on the reactant concentration. There are so many statements to confuse you. You have to read carefully. Here, just see, look at the B. The half-life of first order reaction does not depend on initial concentration. So, just look for the half-life period of first order, the half-life period of the first order reactions and half-life period of the second order reaction. Kindly follow. Then you have an idea. Let me show you the table here. Kindly see, have it in mind. Zero order. So the half-life period depends on rate constant. First order, it is again rate constant K1. Second order, it is initial concentration. So this is the half-life period. Third order, so now the correct statement here is B. Kindly follow. The half-life period of first reaction does not depend on initial concentration. How? Just see. First order reaction, there is no concentration terms involved. No concentration terms involved. The statement is correct. Kindly follow. The second one, the half-life period of second order reaction does depend on initial concentration. Kindly follow. Second order reaction, it depends on initial concentration. Inversely proportional to concentration. So this statement is correct. Kindly follow. So correct answer is B, the correct answer. The half-life period of first order reaction does not depend on initial concentration A0. The half-life period of second order reaction does depend on initial concentration of A0. Okay. Question number 5, which was asked in the year 2018 under the NEET examination. Let me read the question. When initial concentration of the reactant is doubled, kindly follow. When initial concentration of the reactant is double, the half-life period of a zero order reaction, what will happen? A is tripled, is double, is halved, remain unchanged. These are the reasons. So for that, what do you need? You must know what is the half-life period of zero order reaction. Then only you can understand the reaction. Kindly follow. What is the zero order? This is the zero order. T half equal to R0 by 2K. 2K0. That means zero order reactions, it is actually depends on the initial concentration. Kindly follow. And the rate constant is becoming 2 times. Please follow from the reaction. So the correct answer is therefore it is double. When initial constant of the reaction is double, the half-life period of a zero order reaction is also double. Question number 6, which was asked in NEET 2018 under the NEET chemist and the NEET entrance examination. For the chemical reaction, that is formation of ammonia by Haber process, N2 gas plus 3H2 gas to give 2 moles of NH3 gas. Actually, it should be like this, reversible arrow. The correct option is, so how to represent the rate? That is the idea here. The idea here, A, option B, option C, option D, the different options are given. So what you have to understand here, let me give the guideline. For any chemical reactions, what you have to do now, whenever you want to represent the rate, kindly follow the correct option. You have to say, in the case of reactant, minus sign will come. In the case of product, plus sign will come. The mole will come below. Say, for example, in this case, I want to represent nitrogen. I will write 1. So, minus dN2 by dt. That is equal to, here, plus product 1 by 2 dNH3 by dt. So, this is the correct answer. So, when you compare all other things, so the correct answer is, kindly follow, this is the correct answer for this reaction. Kindly follow. Question number 7, which is asked in NEET 2018. If the rate constant of first order reaction is K, they are given K. The time T required for completion of 99% of the reaction is given by A, T equal to 4.606 by K, B, T equal to 2.303 by K, and C, T equal to 0.693 by K, and D equal to 6.9 by K. So just this is asked under the first order reaction. For the first order reaction, we know K equal to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X. So they have given rate constant, it is given as K. They are asking for time. Initial concentration 100, final concentration is 1. That is 99% completed. With this idea, let me go proceed now. Kindly follow now. It is very, very simple questions. This is the first rate constant for first order reaction, 2.303 by T log A by A minus X. After completion of 99%, after that is after time T, so what will be the equation? K equal to 2.303 by T log 100 by 1. 1 means 100 minus 99, 1. That means I can say log 2 nothing but 2 value. So simply I will write K equal to 2.303 by T into 2, or T I will bring the left side, T equal to 2.303 into T by K, that is nothing but 4.606 by K. This is the correct answer. Please, very, very simple answer. Kindly follow. So only thing is you must know memorize the corresponding or the correct constant equation. So time is 4.606 K. Let us see the option there. It is answer is A is the correct answer. Question number 8. This is asked in 2018. Let me read the question. The rate constant of first order reaction is given as 4.606 into 10 to the power of -3 per second. The time required to reduce 2 gram of the reactant 2.2 gram. So initial and final constant A and A minus X given. Rate constant is given. So they are asking again time they are asking. A 500 second, B 1000 second, C 100 second, D 200 second. It's very, very simple again. Kindly follow. I will go systematically from the equation. Kindly follow. What is the equation now? What is the first order? K equal to 2.3303 by T log A by A minus X. First order kinetics, rate constant. So let me substitute the value. It is given, K value, it is given 4.606 into 10 to the power of -3. It is given. And 2.303 by T, that is T we have to calculate, log. So initial is 2, final is 0.2, it is also given. So what I have to do now? I have to do calculations. So I am writing here, so log 2 by 0.2. So log 2 by 0.2, 2 by 0.2, how I can write now? Kindly by 20 by 2. Because I will write, what way I will write, kindly follow. So 2 by pi naught 2, how can I write? There's a method you have to follow. 2 top as such you can write. Wait a minute, 2 by, kindly follow, 2 by 0.2. How I write? 2 I am writing. So below 0.2, so 0.1, above you write it 1. 1 decimal put 0, that means below 2. Kindly follow. That means nothing but 2 to cancel, it is log 10. It is value 10. So value will be log 10. Log 10 means nothing but 1. So that can be neglected. Kindly follow. So log 10. So now remaining what you have to see here, kindly follow. So this is 1 log 10, that is 1. So 4.606 into 10 to the power of minus 3 equal to 2.03 into by divided by t. So from that I am rewriting t equal to 2.03 divided by 4.606 10 to the power of minus 3. So that is, if I do calculation, I can get now 2.303, kindly follow, 2.303 divided by 4.606, nothing by 1 by 2. Nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, here it is given already, my below is 10 to the power of minus 3, it will go upward, it is 1000. So 1000 by 2 means it is 500. So 500 second. This is the correct answer. Please follow. Let us see the option now. Option is A is the correct answer. 500 second. So I have come to the conclusion. So thank you very much for my dear students. If you are a newcomer for my channel, NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G, I am very much thankful to you. Kindly click like, click subscribe button and share with your friends. And regarding this NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G, I have to point out one important information. For the last 2.5 to 3 years, we are suffering from corona, pandemic conditions. We're not going outside, sitting simply inside, eating, seeing TV and sleeping. So instead of wasting these 2 years or 3 years, I want to do something to society, specifically poor student of the society. I want to help. As a chemist, I can teach only chemistry. So that's the main aim. I have started this NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G. So I have discussed the theory starting from 8th standard to 12th standard systematically with every nook and corner point I have taken. I have combined all the syllabus, including IIT, NEET, CBSE, Samachir, including BSc level. I am covered. Now I am discussing the question asked for the last 6 years, and at each unit I am discussing. My dear students, this will be, if you are a poor student and if you are not able to go for tuition for chemistry, so see my video, YouTube channel, NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G. I can give you guarantee you will get 90 to 100 marks out of 100, 100% I will give guarantee. So such a way I have handled the subject. So I am, I have experience of 45 years of experience for teaching, not only for IIT and medical coaching, but also teaching BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD. And you have seen in my report in the data given. So this is very useful for you, kindly utilize. For the other students, that is students who are waiting for the coming academic NEET entrance examination for this 2022, I am a good news for you. we are running Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 21 years, and we have a lot of achievement. All the achievements are given in our website, Vetri.S, in the home page. So let me point out one or two achievements. The first achievement, we started in 1999, but in 2003, one of our students, R. Srinivasa Raghavan from Patrick School, Pondicherry, came All India first in JIPMER medical entrance examination in India. Throughout India, he stood first. Please follow. At that time, NEET common entrance examination was not there. This is our first the achievement. The second achievement is, for the last 21 years, except 1 or 2 years, most of the years, although nearly 16 to 17 years, the first rank of Pondicherry first rank we have taken. All the evidence are given with the photograph, name and school which is given in the home page. Also, every year 10 to 20 students are going to JIPMER through our coaching center. 150 to 200 students are joining in other medical colleges through merit by government quota. Few students are joining IIT, hundreds of students joining in other engineering colleges. This is our achievement. Coming for our Vetri.S online. Kindly follow. This is the online. Suppose anybody is not able to go for tuition or anything, so you can stay in your house itself. You can score 600 to 700 marks by seeing Vetri.S. Kindly follow. What is the feature of Vetri.S? Vetri.S has 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. Please follow. 200 video lessons. Video lessons are prepared by the professors with the Dr.R.G degree, having experience 20 to 30 years of teaching experience, not only engineering, the IIT and medical, but also BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD, PG professors. Having experience in coaching, that is the most important. So you can, when you view the lesson, video lesson, you can feel like classroom. You can see the board, you can see the teacher, everything. And another important feature of this, the notes, it will be given as the brief notes will be given in the form of abstract, your formula, important derivation, everything will be there. If you want, you just touch the video, you can note and then touch video, you can pass. Just like YouTube, you can use this one. This is the main advantage of video lesson. The second most important feature of unit test, 200 unit tests. That means each unit we are having 2 tests. For example, chemical kinetics, I have 2 tests, test 1, test 2. Each one have 45 questions as per NEET examination. Kindly follow. So, all these questions framed for 200 units are taken from 20 years, minimum 20 years of question papers of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. Only from these previous year question papers are given in the unit test. You can raise me a question. What is the advantage? For the last 6 years, when we observed the question paper of NEET, we observed 75 to 80 questions are same question appear. What does that mean? Vetri.S is giving to you 320 marks to you. So if you are a good student and you are a hard worker, you will get 300 plus. So easily you can score 650 to 700 out of 720. 100% guarantee if you go through Vetri.S. So here, another most important feature is the low cost, only 10,000 rupees per year for all the 4 subjects. This is including maths, including English also. So only 10,000 rupees, please follow. Low cost. When you compare other online, in lakhs you have to pay. Then, let me go for most important feature of the unit test. How to attend unit test. So when you enter after registration, that is you go to Chrome, click Chrome, type Vetri.S, our site will open and go there. The NEET free will be there and free lesson, free test will be given. You can go through. If you are satisfied, you can register with us by paying 10,000. So, what is there? When you enter into the site, subject wise will be there. Physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, maths, English, like that, it will be there. It is only covering +1 and +2 subjects. So if you enter into, for example, chemical kinetics, go for click test, go for chemical kinetics. Then first test, you click, there is a menu called attempt. You click attempt. Immediately a window will open. In the window, it shows, it will be written there, you can read, this unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Each question carries 4 options. One of the option is correct. For correct answer 4 marks, wrong answer -1. Are you ready? It will ask. So if you want to attempt, take a rough notebook and pen and then click OK. Immediately a window will open. What you can see? You can see question number 1. Option A, option B, option C, option D you can see. And there is a clock will be running from 45 minutes. It is going down below. This is the unit test. Then below that there is again 3 menus are there. That is, this is the reverse, center is complete, right side is next. So through next you go for second question, third question, etc. Through reverse you come back. Only after completion you have to touch the complete. Please take care, do not touch the complete. Only after completion you have to touch complete. And what is another interesting information which is not available in other online coaching? 1 to 45 number, question number will be there in yellow color in below that. Suppose as a student, you are attending question A. A is the correct answer. You are touch the A. After touching A, immediately the question number, the 1 in yellow color will become in green color. That means you have attended 1. Number 2 will become blue, that is you have to go to attend. All other will be yellow color. So what is the advantage is you can adjust the time for the examination. Say for example, after 20 minutes, by directly seeing below 1 to 45, how many questions are green, how many questions are yellow, you can assume. And see the time and then you can speed up or slow down. Depending upon that, you can self-assessment you can do. That is the advantage which is not available in any other online coaching, leading coaching center. So after completing entire 45, becoming green now, kindly follow, the 45th means it green will not be there. Then now click center, that is complete, immediately you will get the mark, window will open, you will get mark. Let us assume you are getting 140 out of 180. Please follow. 140 out of 180. That means 40 marks you are losing. It may be either directly 10 questions or some minus and plus added. You want to verify which question you have done mistake, which question you have. But this facility is not available in any other online coaching. So we have that menu called review. That is next to the mark, the review menu will be there. You click review. When you click review, a window will open. Please follow. There is question number 1. You can see option A, option B, option C, option D. There is correct answer is written. Correct answer will be provided in yellow color. That option will be given yellow color. Below this option, there is a solution, video solution. Answer is given, video solution. Please follow. No online coaching center is giving a video solution. They will give only one word or 1 or 2 sentence typed matter they will give. Adult students or weak students, they cannot understand. But we will explain the theory background, explain everything, then we will come for the calculation. And another interesting point, suppose you have clicked A, your answer now will be in blue color. Please follow. Correct answer will be in yellow color. So compare your answer with yellow, correct answer. Both are same, your answer is right. Both are different, your answer is wrong. So you can do self-assessment yourself. Where you have done mistake, you can. This facility is not available in any other online coaching. Please follow. Then, so you want to see the video, click video. Immediately, professor having doctorate degree with 20 to 30 years of experience will take class, read the question, read the option. Just now what I have done now, then explaining theory and then work out the problem. So this is the way it is there. So this is the most important feature of Vetty Daughters. Kindly follow. So how to pay the low cost at 10,000 rupees to join with us? Pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director of Vetty Coaching Center through Indian Bank, account number 712719471, IFC code IDIB000P134, cell number 989417645. My dear students, since I am now in UK, so if you want to contact, you contact only through WhatsApp phone. Through WhatsApp phone only you can contact me. Up to 6 months, I will be up to September in UK. So if you want any contact, you can contact this period. After that, you can call me in ordinary phone. I will come to India. Thank you very much. See you again in the next chapter.